Hi everyone, today I am going to make fish and chips, but not the way you have seen it before. British classic Sri Lankan twist. Crispy curry spice fish with golden casava chips. This is Britain meeting Sri Lankan on one plate. Okay, let's get cooking. For the fish, I am using white fillet. I am going to do seasoning. I am add some curry powder, chili powder, and salt and pepper, turmeric powder, and a little bit of lemon. Let this sit at least 15 minutes so the spices sink deep into the fish. This is my golden cassava chips. Now I am add chili powder, salt and pepper and mix it well. Normally fish and chips go in with tartar sauce, but today I am making my style tartar sauce. Pepper, some salt, traditionally British fish using beer batter. I am do same thing, but I am add some extra spices and some of breadcrumbs. Plain flour and corn flour, chili powder, curry powder, turmeric powder and chili flakes, salt and pepper. Now I am going to add my beer and mix it well. Now your batter is ready. Let's bring it together. Spicy curry fish and golden cassava chips and lime wedges. This is my style tartar sauce. Hmm. Fish is juicy, curry flavor is amazing, and the cassava chips crispy, even better than potatoes. If you love this Sri Lankan twist on fish and chips, hit like, subscribe, and comment me what fusion should I try next. And until then, I go on.